When it comes to door installation in Fort Worth, homeowners often underestimate the complexities involved. While it may seem like a simple task, one misstep can result in poor insulation, compromised security, or even structural issues. Whether you're installing a new entryway, upgrading your back door, or replacing an old unit, avoiding common mistakes can save you time, money, and future headaches. Here are some of the most frequent door installation mistakes homeowners make, and how to steer clear of them. Incorrect measurements. This is by far the most common and costly error. Many people assume standard door sizes will fit, only to find gaps, misalignment, or the door not closing properly after installation. Avoid it. Always take precise measurements of the height, width, and depth of the door frame. Measure at least twice and consider having a professional verify your dimensions. Fort Worth's older homes often have irregular-sized frames, so custom sizing may be necessary. Ignoring the climate. Fort Worth's hot summers, sudden storms, and occasional freezes make weatherproofing essential. Choosing a door without considering local climate conditions can lead to premature wear, energy loss, or warping. Avoid it. Invest in a door with good insulation properties, such as steel or fiberglass with thermal cores. Use weather stripping and ensure a tight seal to keep out heat, moisture, and drafts. Energy efficiency is not just a comfort issue, it directly affects your utility bills. DIY when you should hire a pro. It's tempting to try to save money by installing the door yourself, but unless you have significant carpentry experience, this is risky. Improper installation can compromise security, void warranties, and reduce your home's value. Avoid it. Know your limits. If you're unsure about handling hinges, leveling, and sealing, hire a local Fort Worth door installation expert. Professional services ensure everything aligns, functions properly, and complies with code. Not checking for frame damage before replacing an old door. Some homeowners jump straight to installing the new one without inspecting the condition of the existing frame or threshold. Avoid it. Check the door jamb, threshold, and surrounding structure for rot, water damage, or termite activity. Replacing or reinforcing these components ensures the new door sits securely and functions smoothly. Choosing style over function. A gorgeous front door may boost curb appeal, but if it's not suited to your home's function or structure, you may face daily frustrations. Heavy wooden doors may sag, and certain glass styles reduce privacy or security. Avoid it. Choose a door that balances style, durability, security, and maintenance requirements. For instance, in Fort Worth's humid summers, a fiberglass door might be more practical than a wood one that can swell or crack. Skipping the leveling step. Installing a door without checking for level or square is a rookie mistake that leads to sticking, uneven gaps, or doors that swing open or shut on their own. Avoid it. Always use a level during installation. Shim is needed to ensure the door is perfectly plumbed. This small step can prevent a host of problems down the road. Using the wrong hardware. Not all hinges, locks, and screws are created equal. Using low quality or incompatible hardware can lead to misalignment or security vulnerabilities. Avoid it. Always use hardware rated for exterior use, especially in areas like Fort Worth where humidity and rainfall can cause corrosion. Choose reinforced strike plates and deadbolts for added safety. Final thoughts. Door installation may appear straightforward, but doing it right requires careful planning, the right materials, and an understanding of your local environment. In Fort Worth, where heat, humidity, and storms are part of life, installing a door properly is critical for energy efficiency and home security. Avoiding these common mistakes ensures your investment pays off in the long run, with a door that performs well, looks great, and stands strong for years to come.